everyone, welcome back once more to my channel. My name is Jextoro and today we're going to be opening the first starter deck of Link Monsters. I'm excited because today we're going to be opening the first Link Monsters deck. You know, now is the Link fever, everyone is playing Link Monsters, so I just want, and also I was checking some of the episodes of Yu-Gi-Oh! Brains just to see what's going on and how is the anime, and I will tell you something, I like it. So in this time we're going to be opening this deck, the first one. This character, his name is Playmaker, and the Code Talker is his main monster at the beginning of the season of the new generation of Yu-Gi-Oh! So let's open it. I'm so excited because it's going to be, I don't want to rip off the box, but it seems that I have to. So let's open this, our first Link Monster deck. And so we can see in the back, so you can see here is the book of the rule book, the rules how to summon a Link monster. I still have my doubts. I have seen videos of how to summon the Link monsters, so this is going to help me how to understand. Also, the new mat, they move the pendulum monsters. Used to be pendulum monsters used to be in this side. Now they put it inside of the magic and trap zone. Blue one, and then we have the deck itself with Link Slayer as a. Here's it. Now I learn it. I can find it faster. Oh no, didn't open. So Link Slayer is one of the monsters that Playmaker used in the anime, and I will tell you something, the artwork is so nice and the character the character is so good, the card. So because I will read it for you. If you control no monsters, you can special summon this card from your hand. Open once per turn, you can discard up to 2 cards, then target that many cards as that many spells or trap on the field and destroy them. So powerful monster. So you don't need the tribute, and you can summon it and then start to destroy spells magic spells, traps in the field. So that's why I like it. And also it's ultra rare. And then we got the Code Talker. That is the main monster that Playmaker used in the series. I will read it for you. So it's up to +2 plus effect monsters to be able to summon it, and then gains 500 attack for each monster it points to. So all the arrows will count for this effect. When your opponent activates card or effect that target this card you control, when your opponent activates a card or effect that targets a card of cards you control, this is a quick effect. You can tribute 1 monster this card points to and negate the activation, and if you do, destroy that card. So powerful. And also I like the card. And then we got the Ram Clouder. This is another monster that Playmaker used. I have seen it. And then you can tribute 1 monster, then target 1 Cyberse monster is the new type of this season. Monster in your graveyard. Special summon it. You can only use the effect of Ram Clouder once per turn. Very nice, very nice. And then Honeybot is another one. So neither player can target monsters. This card points. You cannot target the other monster that this card is pointing with effect. And those monsters cannot be destroyed by battles. So another card that is strong. It's strong. And Link Spider, this is another one. Once per turn you can special summon 1 level 4 or lower normal monster from your hand to the zone that this card is pointing to. So this is so good. So we got a Pitron as well. Pitron. So nice, I like it. And then Draconet, Galaxy Serpent, Mystery Shield Dragon, 4 stars, 2000 attack. That's pretty strong. Beast King Barbaros. Nice. Cyber Dragon, sorry. Photon Thrasher, so good too. And then Excarion Universe, Evil Swarm Mandragora, Marauding Captain. I used to have this one in my warrior deck that I had to. Sangan, Kuri Bandit, another type of Kuribo. Marshmallow, nice. Card D, and then Rico Lightsworn Hunter, then Battle Fader, Swift Scarecrow, nice. Effect Baylor, nice, another powerful card. Cynet Universe, Monster Reincarnation, Dark Hole, Mystical Space Typhoon, Book of Moon, Forbidden Lands, United We Stand, Pot of Duality, Burden of the Mighty, Supplied Squad, Terraforming, Jar of Avarice, Call of the Haunted, Mirror Force. This need to be in all the decks. Torrential Tribute, Ring of Destruction, Bottomless Trap Hole, Compulsion Evacuation Device, Fiendi's Chain, and Dark Bright. So you can see, this is a pretty good deck. Very strong. To be a starter deck, I believe have very powerful cards. Also the new Link monsters that come with it, I think they are pretty strong. Let's just show them again. Link Spider, Honeybot, Ram Clouder, the Cold Talker, and Link Slayer, one of my favorites. These two, I like those. So I hope you like this video. My thoughts are that this is a very good deck, and I think you can buy another two and make a different composition and fortify it with the same kind of cards, like 3 of Link Slayers or 2. I think it's going to be good. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up. Leave your comments. What do you think about this deck? If you see potential, or you don't like it, or you just like some of the cards. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and stay tuned because I will coming back soon. Bye bye. Thank you.